Today I want to show you my cleaning on my Zoe. I clean her every time before I use her, and I always start with taking the fruit plate off. I have prepared, I loosen a little bit on the screws, so, and I take the presser foot off. I raise the presser foot and take this off. Yes. Then usually I don't take the needle off, and I never have my machine turned on, because if you touch something and it starts sewing and you have your finger under it, well, then you have sewn into your fingers. So I pry the door open, I do like this, and here you can see kind of lint, and I do it every day when I'm going to sew. I take even the bobbin out, like this. I clean the bobbin case, because that you will have a lot of things growing, dust, and I blow it. And then I go on taking all this away. And if you have a lot of dust in the feet here, it won't feed properly. So I always take all the dust off around the feet and between the teeth. This machine is self-oiling. It has a well under here, so usually I don't do anything oiling or something like that. I just, and then you can turn the hand wheel towards you and rotate it a little bit like this, so you are sure getting everything out from there. When you're finished, you put your bobbin in, like so. Put your fruit plate on, like that. Put your screws in back. The hardest thing to do is to untighten these screws, because especially this one is so hard to reach with a screwdriver. So I have this shorter one, but even that is too long. So I do it by hand, almost all the way down, and then in the end I go in and tighten it off with the long one, and I tilt it outwards like this. It's so darn hard. This is the hardest thing to do when cleaning your machine. Well, and then you closing the door, putting on the presser foot again, and as you can see, I drive my machine with the guard on, and voila, you did your daily cleaning from lint on the ZOJE.